as the title says, I created a new word and phrase. I have a feeling once it gets out there, it would catch on. I have never trademarked or copyrighted anything before. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? If people start using the phrase, would I have to go after each one? This is all new. Any advice was appreciated.
Yeah, I think this is a common misconception that like if you create a phrase, right, and throw it out into the world
Like, what
somehow,
did you say? What was that? Yeah.
right, you own it, right? Then somehow the words that come out of your mouth you own in perpetuity and nobody can use them again, right?
Is that
It's
how it
not
works?
how it works. And if you come up with a cool phrase or just an annoying phrase that
Okay.
catches fire like 6, 7 or whatever,
Yep.
you don't own that. It doesn't even represent anything. Nobody even knows what it is. Like
Okay.
it's just
It's
sloppy.
horrible. It's terrible.
Yeah.
So I have to jump in. So
Not a trademark.
okay, say again.
Not a trademark.
Not a trademark. During my flag football season, it came up a lot. I'm trying to account for stretching, and these kids are like, "Oh, we get to 6, 7." They start doing this thing. Like, what does this mean? No one had the same answer. I'm like, you're not allowed to use that because you don't know what it means, and because someone could be confused, and you might hurt someone's feelings. Not allowed.
Yeah.
So, anyway, I digress. I don't like it. It doesn't mean anything. It's not supposed to mean anything.
I like your approach to not liking it.
Yeah, not like it. Good. Thank you, Matt. We're moving on, I think. Anything else on that? I
No,
think we pretty much
so
nailed it.
so a trademark has to connect a consumer to a product or service. It's shorthand, right? Instead of me explaining to you that I like the laundry detergent that's in that orange bottle with the blue cap, and I think there's like a sun or something on it. You know the one, right?
Yeah.
And then you fill in the blank. You know the brand. That's what a trademark does. Just it gets you from A to B a lot faster.
Hold on. What was it again? Hold on. I wasn't ready. Orange bottle. You were
What's
saying
that?
you're saying there's an orange bottle with the sounds.
Yeah, if I'm like go to the grocery store and pick up the laundry detergent in the orange bottle with blue
Yeah, Tide, right? Tide.
tie, right?
Okay.
But instead of explaining to what it looks like, how big it is, what it smells like, I can just say the word Tide, and you know exactly what I'm talking about.
Right, right,
So
right. Or Nike, just do it. Okay, that's
yeah,
their slogan. So that over time has developed secondary meaning, and you're saying exactly tied to apparel, tied to sports and apparel. Love it. So yeah, it's not something you can just reserve or block.
yeah, just
Thing is,
limit up. Well, doesn't mean that you own it,
okay,
in perpetuity, and certainly doesn't mean you own it in association with any specific good or product.
fantastic.